Hello?
You are my dad. You're my dad. Woogie, woogie, woogie.
You pretty drunk?
Jumping off the roof. Really?
What?
No,
Dude, what?
dude,
Chris,
no
what the hell? No, Chris!
How much you pay for that taco?
Hey, yo, you know this, boy. He's got his free taco.
I think I know more about American Girls than you do.
You never get any American Girls daddy.
Like, I'm feeling a little irked, or at least, like, irked adjacent, and then these guys bring in their bad vibes? Bro, I'm straight up not having a good time.
Я сегодня тебе принес не букет из пышных роз, не тюльпаны и не лилии, а всего лишь петунии и...
Bitch, why are you mad? Cause my pussy pops severely and yours don't, huh?
And let me see what you have.
No!
Oh my God, happy birthday, Raven! Okay, sweet.
No off-topic questions, because I don't want to. No, permission denied. That's an off-topic questions. Next, you have been stopped.
Hey, I'm lesbian.
I thought you were American.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop your fucking lying.
She's recording.
Hey dude, can I borrow $60? Yeah, when pigs fly. Oh, but they do fly.
What the fuck? Is this allowed? What the fuck? Is that allowed?
This is your opinion.
I've lost me goldfish. Can someone help me find me goldfish? Oh shit.
Iridocyclitis.
They're grooving. Oh yeah, ooh yeah, oh yeah, ooh yeah, oh yeah, ooh yeah, oh yeah, ooh.
Oh, shit! A rat! There's a rat! There's a motherfucking rat! There's a big-ass rat!
What the fuck is up, Kyle? No, what did you say, dude? What the fuck, dude? Step the fuck up, Kyle.
I have crippling depression.
Why aren't the dishes in alphabetical order? What does that even mean?
And to all, a good night.
You know, they say all men are created equal, but you look at me and you look at Small Joe, and you can see that statement is not true. See, normally if you go one-on-one with another wrestler, you got a 50-50 chance of winning. But I'm a genetic freak, and I'm not normal. So you got a 25% at best at beating me. And then you add Kurt Angle to the mix, your chances of winning drastically go down. See, the three-way at sacrifice, you got a 33 1/3 chance of winning. But I got a 66 2/3 chance of winning because Kurt Angle knows he can't beat me and he's not even going to try. So, Samoa Joe, you take your 33 1/3 chance minus my 25% chance and you got an 8 1/3 chance of winning at sacrifice. But then you take my 75% chance of winning if we used to go one-on-one and then add 66 2/3%. I got 141 2/3 chance of winning at sacrifice. See, Joe, the numbers don't lie, and they spell disaster for you at sacrifice. See, but I'm going to break it down for all you ladies. Would you rather be with me, or would you rather be with Joe?
Well, I think Joe's kind of nice. I mean, you know.
See, you're one of those girls that like romance. I'm going to talk to all my freaks out there. Would you rather come home to me, a genetic freak, to be satisfied every night, or go home to that fat-ass Samoa Joe? See, tonight, we're going to win, and I'm going to be the world champion at sacrifice. Come on, P.